design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, the place where we turn your living spaces into masterpieces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. We all know that a fresh coat of paint can change a room, but sometimes a flat color just isn't enough to capture the vibe you're going for. If you've ever felt like your walls are missing that wow factor, you're in the right place. Today, we are exploring the artistic and tactile world of wall texture painting. This isn't just about color, it's about depth, personality, and creating a space that feels truly high-end. Let's dive into everything you need to know to master the art of the textured wall. Wall texture painting is a specialized decorative technique that goes beyond the traditional smooth finish to create a three-dimensional effect on your surfaces. Unlike standard flat paint, which relies solely on hue, texture painting uses thicker paints or specific additives like sand, stone, or synthetic fibers, combined with unique application tools to create raised patterns and tactile depth. It is essentially the bridge between traditional painting and sculptural art. By using tools like sponges, spatulas, combs, or even specialized rollers, designers can mimic the look of natural materials like marble, silk, distressed wood, or rustic stone. It is a way to turn a structural element of your home into a centerpiece of your decor. One of the primary benefits of choosing a textured finish is its incredible ability to hide architectural imperfections. If your walls have minor cracks, uneven surfaces, or patches that standard paint would only highlight, texture paint acts as a beautiful camouflage, masking those flaws under a stylish pattern. Beyond aesthetics, textured walls add a layer of durability that flat paint often lacks. They are generally more resistant to wear and tear, making them ideal for high-traffic areas. Furthermore, texture creates a dynamic interplay with light. Because the surface is uneven, it catches light and shadows differently throughout the day, giving your room a shifting, atmospheric quality that feels alive. It also offers a minor acoustic benefit, as the uneven surface can help diffuse sound waves better than a hard, flat wall, contributing to a cozier and quieter environment. To make wall texture painting look its best, the key is balance and intentionality. You should generally avoid texturing every single wall in a room, as this can feel overwhelming and close in the space. Instead, use it to create a stunning accent wall behind a bed, a fireplace, or a sofa. When decorating around a textured wall, keep your furniture relatively simple to let the wall's detail shine. For example, if you have a rugged, stone-like texture, pair it with sleek, modern furniture to create a sophisticated contrast. Lighting is your best friend here. Use track lighting or wall sconces to graze the surface of the texture from an angle. This grazing effect emphasizes the highlights and shadows of the pattern, making the design pop and giving the room a professional, designer-curated feel. Choosing the right color for your texture is crucial, because the shadows created by the texture will naturally make the color appear a bit darker than it would on a flat surface. Earthy neutrals like beige, taupe, and warm grays are perennial favorites because they mimic natural stone and sand, creating a calming, organic atmosphere. For those wanting a more dramatic or royal look, deep jeweled tones like emerald green, navy blue, or charcoal gray work wonders when paired with metallic glazes, silver, or gold highlights on a dark textured base can make a room look incredibly luxurious. If you prefer a soft, airy feel, pastels like dusty rose or mint green can add subtle character without dominating a room. Always remember to test a small patch first, as the way the light hits the peaks and valleys of the texture will significantly shift your perception of the hue. Wall texture painting is truly one of the most versatile tools in a decorator's arsenal. It allows you to move away from the box feel of a room and transition into a space that has character, warmth, and artistic flair. Whether you're going for a rustic Mediterranean vibe with heavy plaster strokes or a sleek metallic finish for a modern loft, the right texture can completely redefine your home's identity. It's an investment in style that pays off every time you walk into the room and feel that unique tactile energy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more tips on how to elevate your living space. We want to hear from you. Which room in your house is screaming for a texture makeover? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to click the bell icon so you never miss our weekly design deep dives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.